MACHINA is an Erasmus KA2 project that aims to address the ML skills gap by increasing the relevance of continuing and initial education in the sector. So existing and future ICT workers will have the ML competencies and skills needed to meet today's workplace demands. For that, MACHINA project defined 6 learning units. This video will look at the first learning unit, called Machine Learning Essentials for ICT Professionals. We will talk about it in more detail. The first learning unit of the MACHINA project introduces you to the basics of machine learning, which allows you to solve different problems. It defines the essential ML characteristics and addresses the fundamental features of ML applications. 4 lessons were created to learn the basics of machine learning and gain fundamental skills. Introduction to Machine Learning, Where to Apply ML, Machine Learning and Data Processing, and Example of ML Applications. In the first lesson, you will understand the theoretical principles of machine learning, learn the history of its origins and development, and get a general overview of the different machine learning algorithms. Machine learning is a class of artificial intelligence methods where the main idea is to build a system that learns from the data without explicitly programming it. It is a scientific field that combines statistics, data science, artificial intelligence, and computer science, also known as predictive analytics or statistical learning. Machine learning is about extracting knowledge from data. It uses mathematical statistics, numerical methods, mathematical analysis, optimization methods, probability theory, graph theory, and various techniques for working with data in digital form. The goal of ML is to design algorithms that imitate the way humans learn, gradually improving their accuracy. For example, if a company wants to build a system that predicts car prices based on some feature, it needs first to collect information about all its cars. Then, the company will build a machine learning model that compares, classify, group, or find irregularities in the features of the collected data. After introducing the different ML algorithms, the second lesson will present in more detail the types of problems that ML algorithms can solve. You will briefly introduce the types of problems that machine learning algorithms can solve nowadays, for example, anomaly detection. There are several types of ML problems based on what the prediction task looks like. Classification is used to pick a class from categorical values. An example of multi-class classification is classifying books in the library by genre or wardrobe items by color. The classes, in this case, are a predefined list of possible genres or colors. The subject of regression analysis is one dependent variable and a set of other varying variables. An example of regression is to predict the prices of cars based on some features. Data clustering is the task of partitioning a given sample of data based on specific criteria so that each cluster consists of similar objects, and objects of different clusters differ significantly from each other. Data processing is an important step for machine learning. The third lesson will cover the steps you need to follow to prepare your data before building a machine learning model for your problem. In addition, it will introduce some of the visualization methods for your data. In this lesson, you will learn the various steps need to be applied to data to prepare it for the ML model. Data collection step, data preprocessing step, data transformation step, and data splitting step. Also, it's important to visualize your data to understand the meaning of each feature and whether the features are categorical or continuous. There are different visualization tools you will learn like histogram, box plot, scatter plot, etc. In the fourth lesson, we will introduce examples of ML applications that are widely used in different areas. This will help you to understand the elements of ML in applications and analyze some existing ML applications according to a given context. The introduction of machine learning algorithms makes everyday life easier and helps in improving science, the quality of medical treatment, increasing sales, secure banking transactions. In this lesson, you will learn the different practical machine learning applications. After learning the lessons of Learning Unit 1, you will be able to have an overview of the ML characteristic and its different algorithms. Understand the concept behind ML and how to detect patterns from data. Identify different types of applications that use the ML algorithms. Thank you for your listening to the introduction of MACHINA Learning Unit 1. You can find out more details about MACHINA project and learning units on our social media pages and on our website.